Get out all the trash. There's toilet right there, guys. There's another spot right there, another hut. And there's a bunch of huts right here. This is great. Good time. Campground they use. Okay. And we're going down. Ah, look at that setup you had. That's right.
Is that for all the lazy people that didn't come with you?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Can you please say that again?
Is that for all the lazy people that didn't come with you?
I love you, man. What's your name?
Corey.
Corey Rami, and this is my buddy Dan. Nice to meet you, Dan. Nice to meet you, man. Corey's awesome. See, that's great. Oh, they're gonna have a helicopter come here again now, huh? Uh-huh. Huh?
Alright, let's get in place.
Where's the trail? Trail's right there. Trail right there.
Hey guys, we got a helicopter coming through.
Yes, sir.
Go back a little bit.
Go back? Like this one right here, sir?
Give me a lot. That's right here.
Okay. That would be awesome. Can I videotape it?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, good. Dust is awesome, man. We'll get Dusty.
I guess I will wait before I start my snack.
Yeah.
And it's pretty much dusty here no matter what you do.
Guys, look at the helicopter.
There's a helicopter though.
Look at that. Oh, yeah. Again, they're taking the trash out of here from the Grand Canyon. Look at that. This is great. That's a great experience, guys. National Park Service. And see, they just went right there. That's great, guys. Such a great experience. See, they lift him. And here we go. Take some pictures, Daniel. Yeah, take pictures. Yeah, that's awesome. That's great. You guys rocked. Yeah! There you go, taking all the shit out. That's awesome. Kill it. That's a good experience, man. Cool. This is great. See? Seeing the helicopter? Coming to the Grand Canyon, picking all the trash. That's great, guys. Love it. Go Lakers. Me, Corey, and Dan right here. Cool.